Find the pressure exerted by a force of 8,000 newtons on an area of 25 metres squared. So let's have a look at our triangle first. Farts are pressure or force area pressure. Let's list what we know or what we need. So the force is 8,000 newtons. The area is 25 metres squared. And I want the pressure. Now to find the pressure, I need to look at my triangle and cover up the P because that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to be doing F divided by A. F is 8,000 newtons. A is 25 metres squared. So I need to do 8,000 divided by 25. I'm going to do that on my calculator, which is 320. And it's newtons per metres squared. There's my pressure. Find the pressure exerted by a force of 240 newtons on an area of 30 centimetres squared. Give your answer in newtons per metre squared. Now, the difference here between this question and the last is I want the answer in metres squared. So before I even do anything, I'm going to change this 30 centimetres squared into metres squared. So let's just have a think about that. So if I've got, here's a square and it's 1 metre by 1 metre, so that is 1 metre squared. Now here is exactly the same size square. I'm going to copy it, but I don't want it now in metres squared. I want to know what that is in centimetres squared. So now remember that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. And that means that 100 times 100 is 1 times 1, which is 1, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1 metre squared is actually 10,000 centimetres squared. That out. So I've got 1 metre squared is 10,000 centimetres squared. So if I want to get from centimetre squared to metre squared, I need to divide by 10,000. So I've been asked about 30 centimetres squared. So I need to divide that by 10,000 to get it in metres squared. So I'm going to quickly use my place value table. And we've got 30. And it needs to be divided by 10,000. So that's going to be, that's 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. That helps you. It moves 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 30 centimetres squared is actually 0.003 metres squared. So now I've figured that out, I can carry on as normal. So we've got its farts are pressure, force area pressure. What have I got? I've got the force is 240 newtons. I've got the area is 30. Oh, sorry, we've just figured that out, haven't we? So it's not 30. It's 0.003 metres squared. Pressure, how do I figure that out? Cover up the P for pressure, and it's F divided by A. So that's 240 newtons divided by 0.003 metres squared. So 240 divided by 0.003. which is 80,000, and again to get the units it's newtons per meters squared. 80,000 newtons per meter squared.